welcome to this Q&A session with the Fluo Style Brothers. We're gonna do interrogative Q&A. How would you feel if you had to attend a group ride for a whole day wearing all black cycling gear?
Oh. I wouldn't go. I would if I had to go, I'd have to be paid a lot of money.
That wasn't the question. How would you feel?
I'd feel boring. I'd feel like Superman without his cape or Batman without his costume, and I just wouldn't feel me. It would be fine if I was going to a funeral, but other than that, yuck.
And you know, just rolling up the last 20 yards to meet your friends attending the group ride.
I'd be embarrassed. I'd be like, what are you wearing? Like, who died? Have you got a funeral to go to after this? Like, I just wouldn't wear an all black kit. It's just, why would I want to match a kit that matches the road? And what, would I have to wear black shoes as well? So I got little school shoes on and black socks. Like, seriously, who does that?
Thanks a lot for painting out this nice response in all detail. Thank you. And now the serve goes over to Lee.
What would you do if you couldn't ride your little badminton socks that you wear that are about that long, and you had to ride proper long 7-inch Euro style socks for a ride? How would you handle that?
Well, first of all, I think wearing long socks means that you show less skin. And I mean, a cyclist should show his skin. I mean, I even hate those modern jerseys, which is like chopped all the way down to the elbow.
That's good.
I hate
this
that.
Is too short.
I
This
hate
should be
that.
Here. Look at that.
Now it's my turn to answer questions.
This game sucks.
Yes, so I think you are already covering up your body too much. I mean, the cycling shorts have grown longer and longer over the years, and the socks are growing longer and longer. I mean, in the end, it will just meet around the knee. I mean, if it goes on like this, it's just gonna look so bad, and I don't want to be someone who's contributing to everything going in the wrong direction.
But your socks are like this long. They're like these little badminton socks that badminton players wear. They're embarrassing. You were lucky I rode with you with those socks. I was just like, look at this guy. He's a weirdo. He's got these little socks on. Is this what they do in Norway? Not in Australia and Italia.
But I would say that this is more like a comment than a question. And if you are putting a question mark on your comment...
This is a follow-up. And I can tell you why I'm right and HOTON is wrong. I sent him a picture today of the king, Mario Cipollini, and he had long socks on. So, game over, case closed, I win. Amen.
If any of you got any questions you'd like to ask us, or something you think we should discuss in depth, please use the commentary section below and let the Fluo Style brother tell you what's right and what's wrong. Do I have the serve now?
Yeah, you got the serve.
Okay, I got the serve.